Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Travel Podcast in Rotterdam, outside of Amsterdam. The Willemsbrug Red Bridge and a very large marina area. Various boats in the back, probably for boat tours. Windmills, lots of buildings, and Tropicana, not to be confused with Tropicana. And the streets here. Zorgwerk, probably a shared space. Here for 2 nights, staying at the Hilton Motto, Rotterdam block. Took the metro, took the train from Amsterdam to Rotterdam, and we'll be cruising, going on a Holland America cruise thanks to Win Las Vegas and a tier or status match offer. And a view of this red bridge. Use my extendable stick and you can get a 360 view with this Insta360 camera. Skyline continuing on this side. Bike lane and highway for those driving in Rotterdam. Lots of vehicles coming through in addition to bikes, and some cool view here. See the suspension on the outside. The red bridge itself up ahead. Nice weather. Recording here at the beginning of July 2025. More of the buildings, a nice walking lane on this bridge. Some art in the center, Jig op de Fiets. I'm saying that correctly, probably not. And more of the buildings down below. See what looks to be a jet ski in the center. Some other small boats, people coming through. Really cool view off the bridge. Lots going on here in Rotterdam. Oh, this one's going fast. Rent a small boat for the day, I suppose. Ride it or come along for the ride. See what looks to be a church in the background. Maybe a hotel further back. And lots of buildings, maybe apartments. Not too busy for the traffic. Not too bad. Lots of motorbikes and regular bicycles coming through. See another 360 view of this red bridge. Looks like on the far side another bridge or different style. Looks like a guitar head, but not so. Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Travel Podcast in Rotterdam, outside of Amsterdam, from the Red Bridge.